Holy shit, guys, I ran. Is that thing putting down a tornado? She is spinning. I know that. I know one thing, that thing don't look too good. Don't look too healthy at all. If you're wondering where we're at, we're in Huntington, West Virginia right now. But they haven't been no severe thunderstorm watch, no tornado warning, nothing like that. But them clouds are spinning, and it is rapidly I mean, if that thing ain't rapidly spinning and getting, I don't know, then I gotta take these groceries, but I'm trying to get the footage. Like I'm telling you, them clouds are lowering right there. Wind is definitely picking up. It's definitely picking up. Better for y'all and y'all's.
That's tomato.
Clouds are lowering right there.